Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox a wireless controller RH-5188. It's made by Gamrombo and it's quite different from Sony controllers. PS5, like this white one, and this black one, and this one has camouflage. I really like the design, the camouflage kind of thing. I like the colored buttons here. We can see the box here. Here we can see some specs, 3 hours to charge. Can work as a wired or wireless controller. Even though it's a PS5 controller, I prefer a desktop PC. That's where the power is. I have 5090 and 9950X3D. This is a lot more power than the console. Like this one refurbished from Best Buy. I bought before the price increase, but whatever, I'm gonna give it to someone. I personally have not played any consoles since PS1 except for the classic minis, so I'm gonna keep it that way. I will test it on a PC. We're gonna use it for PC. They said it works for PC, so we'll check it with the PC with the 5090 and 9950X3D, which is like many times faster than this PS5. We got a charging cord, USB-C to USB-A, and instructions manual. Even gives you instructions for a PC. To be honest with you, I've never used a controller for a PC. I love my keyboard and mouse, but we'll give it a shot. We'll see if this Gamrombo controller is great. We're gonna test it with the best computer games. Oh wow, that's nice. As you can see, like it has like some kind of texture. This one is more, see, this one is more smooth. This one with the texture, I definitely like more than the original controller. Wow, it feels a lot more expensive than the original controller, surprisingly so. The thumb drives are quite similar actually, but this part, it's like hard plastic kind of thing. This also with the texture. Charging goes here. Feels great. I like the feel of it, feels great. This one feels better than the original one. I'm sorry, Sony. I love Sony as a company, amazing company, but this one feels better. Gamrombo controller feels better than Sony. Gamrombo is good controller, I like. So I connected this controller to the computer. I used the instructions over here. Now it vibrates all the time. I've never used the controller before with the computer. It's my first time. And what I figured, this thing moves, and this thing like the camera, for the camera to move, right? Why I don't play consoles? And these ones are just like buttons. This is my button number 2. So like this 1, this 2, this 3, this 4. And it's like this over here. So like for the bow, it's 2. I can just run. It's very different and unusual for me, and you gotta get used to it. This is Gothic Remake, by the way. 150 FPS. Have to turn on DLSS on Alchemia Ultra super settings. Well, I see the point why people use the controller. Sometimes it feels really cool. I'm more of a keyboard and mouse guy. I'm too old to change, but if you like controllers, and even if you like using them on PCs, I think it's pretty good, you know, because PCs are way much more powerful than consoles. Consoles are like super slow. And now we can just like turn the camera. It's pretty good. Pairing was easy, just like follow the instructions. The controller feels really good. I like this thing. It's like not slippery. The buttons feel high quality, actually better than on this keyboard. This is probably was like $200 keyboard. Okay. These buttons feel better, to be honest with you. This like things that roll over here, they feel pretty good, right? Yeah, it's pretty good. I want to use these buttons for like to move, and instead they do the things. Yeah, and it always vibrates. It's so weird. It always vibrates. It gives vibration. I don't know, like it's supposed to be vibration. I don't know. This controller is very good if you're young and like eager to learn, but I'm more of a computer guy. I'm gonna use this super good mouse with this keyboard. Logitech is the best, but as a controller, you know, this is pretty good. I'm just like really old to learn how to use controller. I haven't used controllers since PS1. See? It's pretty accurate. I like it. It's nothing like, it's like really good quality buttons. I like those buttons. These controllers can be good for something like action, you know, action games, wherever you move like one character. Probably even better for like, you know, like car games and stuff. But like, let's try with a turn-based strategy. What do I do? I don't think it works. This game you're definitely not supposed to play with a controller. Definitely not. I don't know how console people play it. Like, I don't know. Doesn't work for this game. Even if it worked, like, I would definitely not use it with this game, but Civ 5 is the best Civ, by the way. The best. Let's try a real-time strategy. So we just like, you see, these games doesn't work. The best games, you know, Warcraft 2. What did I do? I press home button. It has like sound like old hard drive. I think it's because it's like constantly vibrating, you know? It's not as loud as my over the RTX 5090, but you know, you hear the sound. Let's try something else where you can actually use the controller. So this is Witcher 3. As you can see, this is a computer, 250 FPS on true 4K without any DLSS. See? And way better graphic than PS5. PS5 is so weak. It's crazy how weak it is. 6-year-old computer after all. You see? Let's see this thing. Yeah, it moves the camera just like in the other game. Oh, this is sword. Same as in the other game. It's in the Gothic. It's like this for the sword. What does this button do? Oh, I didn't know you can do it. Okay. They are good for fist fighting. This controller is very good for fist fighting. And he is scared already. Look, this guy is scared. Look, ooh, what about if I go with a sword to you? No. He's not brave. This guy, he's like a weakling. He's what is it called? A coward. He's a coward, okay? And this controller makes you like strong and powerful, so you can just like, you know, scare people. You can do like press some button. Yeah. be scared. There are some buttons too here, and they do things. There's like two here, two there, like some more buttons here, like so many buttons. I don't know. I like keyboard. I like buttons on the keyboard. You know, like so easy. You know, like M, map. You know, keyboard is the best, and desktop computer is the best. You know, but controllers are good too. Yeah, controller good too. Like you go like. It's a very good exercise for your thumb. You see, your thumb. When you play like here, you may use for this or for alt or something. Your thumb is like more relaxed. With this thing, you really train your thumb. Your thumb gonna become like very strong. Instead of here, you're training like these three fingers. You know. Yeah. Overall, now to be like more serious, yeah, the feel of it and everything feels better than original PS5 controller. I think it's decent. Gamrombo controller is good, bro. Gamrombo, good controller. You know?